Today, we are diving into a potential game changer from Huawei. We're not just talking about a new phone launch, this hints at a whole new ecosystem taking shape. Buckle up, because things are about to get exciting. Let's rewind a bit. For years, the Huawei P series has been a powerhouse in the mobile world. From the groundbreaking P1 to the feature-packed P60 Pro, these phones have been synonymous with innovation and quality. But hold on a sec, a plot twist just emerged. Huawei has officially retired the P series name. This might seem like a sudden move, but there's a strategic reason behind it. Huawei is looking to build a completely new ecosystem, and the P just doesn't fit the vision for the future. Enter Pura, a fresh start, a blank canvas for a whole new journey, and there are clues that things are about to get even bigger. Recently, Huawei registered a trademark for Pura OS. This has tech enthusiasts buzzing with speculation. Could this be a sign of a custom operating system designed specifically for the Pura line? Now, the trademark details are a bit independent OS for Pura devices. This could be a significant move towards self-sufficiency, potentially distancing Pura from the existing Huawei product lines that rely on the Android framework. Here's where things get truly fascinating. Huawei just trademarked a whole bunch of Pura-related names. Pura Pad, Pura Drive, Pura Key, beyond smartphones. Imagine a world with Pura smartwatches keeping you connected on the go, Pura tablets offering powerful productivity tools, and even Pura TVs bringing entertainment to life in your living room. The possibilities seem endless. We're potentially looking at a complete product ecosystem under the Pura brand, encompassing a diverse range of interconnected devices. Remember the successful Honor sub-brand that carved a niche in the market? Huawei might be replicating that strategy with Pura. This could become a powerful sub-brand, offering a wide array of products, all under the unified Pura name. So why is Huawei making such a bold move? The Pura OS trademark points towards a potential shift towards self-sufficiency. Huawei might be preparing products tailored for specific markets like China, with a custom OS built upon the foundation of Harmony OS. This could be a way to navigate ongoing challenges and establish a stronger foothold in certain regions. While everything is still under wraps, these developments point towards a new and exciting chapter for Huawei. Their products might become more self-reliant and cater more to specific markets of custom operating systems. The big question remains, how will this impact the broader smartphone and consumer electronics landscape? Will Pura become a major player, challenging established brands? What kind of innovative features will Pura devices bring to the table? Only time will tell. This is a developing story, and we'll be keeping a close eye on it. Let's get the conversation started in the comments below. Do you think Pura will become a significant force in the tech industry? What kind of products are you hoping to see in the Pura ecosystem? Share your thoughts and predictions. As always, the story continues. Until next time, peace out. In just a few months' time, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will succeed the iPhone 15 Pro Max and take on the mantle as the best and most advanced iPhone out there. Although there's plenty of time until September and a lot can change, we seem to know a lot about the upcoming top iPhone model based on rumors and leaks. How is the iPhone 16 Pro Max shaping up against its predecessor? What's changing and what's staying the same? Let's see how the iPhone 16 Pro Max shapes up against the current best iPhone Apple has in its roster. First up, let's talk about design and size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will inherit the same design language as the iPhone 15 Pro Max, employing the same titanium frame with a completely flat screen. The major difference between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be size. The upcoming iPhone screen will grow to 6.9 inches across, a significant bump over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 6.7-inch display. To achieve this, they're likely shrinking the bezels down even further and making the phone itself slightly larger overall. As per the rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will measure 163mm in height and 77.58mm in width versus 159.9mm and 76.7mm for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, respectively. A small but notable change, all things considered. The iPhone 15 Pro Max debuted with an action button instead of a mute switch and a USB Type-C port at the bottom, so those two features will be carrying over to the newer model as well. However, the iPhone 16 series will be scoring another button, dubbed the capture button. Colors-wise, the iPhone 15 Pro Max was available in 4 understated and titanium-inspired colors. We've heard that Apple might use another titanium processing technique that will make the iPhone 16 Pro Max glossier and also more capable of retaining colors. Moving on to display differences. As mentioned, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come along with a significantly larger display, measuring at 6.9 inches across. Aside from the size, we don't clearly expect any other major changes. We're certainly getting a liquid Retina XDR display with an OLED panel delivering superb colors, contrast, and exceptional maximum brightness. The screen will support 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, making scrolling through the interface and on-screen content way smoother. Now let's delve into performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a second-generation 3nm chip, possibly dubbed Apple A18 Pro. As one can imagine, we expect that the Apple A18 Pro will have better performance than the Apple A17 Pro. Due to the heavily rumored focus on AI for both iOS and the iPhone 16 range, we expect that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come with a much improved neural engine to take care of all the generative AI features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will also be a first to debut iOS 18 with a focus on artificial intelligence features. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max will also support faster Wi-Fi 7 and a more power-efficient 5G modem, keeping you future-proofed on the connectivity front. Let's talk about the camera. As the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers a host of important camera features, chief among which is the new 120mm telephoto lens, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could finally address one of the forgotten cameras that hasn't recently scored any significant overhauls, the ultra-wide. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple will be introducing a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it comes to audio quality, iPhone Pro Max devices are always up there with the best, setting the benchmarks for all other manufacturers to measure up against. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will be no exception. The same generally applies to haptics too. iPhones are arguably the best devices when it comes to haptic feedback, giving us precise and accurate vibrations that are sufficiently strong yet not overpowering. Lastly, battery life and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will reportedly feature a much larger 4,676 mAh battery compared to the 4,422 mAh battery in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Charging-wise, we haven't heard anything about a potential charging speed increase, but we hope to see one on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So far, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a logical improvement to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, delivering key upgrades in important areas like screen size, performance, AI, and battery life. Thus far, we haven't heard anything particular about a potential price increase, so it's safe to assume that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will start at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Of course, if there's an iPhone 15 Pro Max in your pocket, then you'll probably have few reasons to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone 16 Pro Max as we get closer to its release date. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.